Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. With a market cap of $132 billion, CVS is a S&P 500 company within the healthcare plans industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 10.5%. Earnings growth, 3.9%. Earnings estimates, 5.97%. Return on capital, 6.42%. Debt to free cash flow, 4.83 years. Share buybacks, no. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.2%. Payout ratio, 23.78%. Growth rate, 2.92%. Growth years, 1 year. That gives CVS 4 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, CVS is significantly overvalued. What's your thoughts on CVS in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.